Welcome to our in-depth roundup of the best blenders for frozen drinks, your ultimate guide to creating icy smoothies, frozen cocktails, slushies, and refreshing chilled beverages right at home. Whether you love making fruit-packed smoothies, creamy milkshakes, or crushed ice drinks for hot days, the right blender can completely transform your experience. Blending frozen ingredients is very different from making regular smoothies. Ice and frozen fruits require more power, stronger blades, and better overall design. A weak blender will struggle, leaving chunks behind or taking too long to blend. But a high-quality blender will crush ice effortlessly, delivering smooth, consistent results every time. In this guide, we'll walk through 5 of the best blenders you've selected, helping you understand what makes each one stand out so you can choose the perfect option for your needs. Don't forget to check the description box for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the KLIOS Personal Smoothie Blender BL319B, a compact and convenient choice designed for quick, single-serve frozen drinks. This blender is perfect for individuals who want a simple, space-saving solution without sacrificing too much performance. The KLIOS blender is designed with portability in mind. It often comes with personal blending cups, allowing you to blend your drink and take it with you immediately. This makes it ideal for busy mornings, gym routines, or quick snacks on the go. Despite its smaller size, it can handle soft frozen fruits and smaller ice pieces reasonably well. One of its biggest strengths is its ease of use. With simple one-touch operation, you don't need to worry about complicated controls. Cleanup is also quick and easy, which is a huge plus for daily use. However, it's important to note that this blender is best suited for lighter tasks. If you're blending large amounts of ice or very hard frozen ingredients, it may not perform as strongly as larger models. Still, for convenience and portability, it's a great entry-level option. Coming in at number 4 is the Hamilton Beach Power Elite Wave Action Blender, a reliable and budget-friendly option that performs well for everyday frozen drinks. This blender is widely appreciated for its unique wave action system, which continuously pulls ingredients down into the blades for smoother blending. This feature helps improve consistency, especially when working with ice and frozen fruits. Instead of ingredients getting stuck at the top, the design ensures everything moves toward the blades for a more even blend. It also includes multiple speed settings, giving you flexibility for different types of drinks. The glass jar adds durability and gives it a more premium feel compared to plastic alternatives. While it may take slightly longer to crush ice compared to high-powered blenders, it still delivers solid results for its price range. This makes it an excellent option for beginners or anyone looking for a dependable blender without spending too much. If you want a balance of affordability and performance, this is a strong choice. At number 3, we have the Chefman Obliterator 48-ounce countertop blender, a powerful and versatile machine that's built to handle tougher blending tasks. This blender steps things up with a stronger motor, allowing it to crush ice and frozen fruits more efficiently. The 48-ounce capacity makes it ideal for families or for preparing multiple servings at once. Whether you're making smoothies for breakfast or frozen drinks for guests, this blender provides enough space and power to get the job done quickly. It's designed to deliver smoother textures without requiring constant stopping or stirring. Another advantage is its user-friendly design. Many versions include preset functions and intuitive controls, making it easy to use even if you're new to blending. It offers a great combination of performance and value, making it a popular choice among users who want more power without going into premium price territory. If you're serious about frozen drinks but still want affordability, this blender is a fantastic option. Moving on to number 2, the Ninja Professional Plus Blender is a powerhouse that's widely known for its exceptional ice crushing ability. This blender is specifically designed to handle tough ingredients, making it one of the best choices for frozen drinks. Its advanced blade system is engineered to break down ice quickly and efficiently, producing smooth and consistent textures. Whether you're making frozen margaritas, slushies, or thick smoothies, this blender delivers excellent results with minimal effort. The large capacity pitcher makes it perfect for families or entertaining guests, allowing you to prepare multiple servings at once. It also features simple and intuitive controls, so you don't need to be an expert to use it effectively. Durability is another strong point, as this blender is built to handle frequent use without losing performance. If you want a blender that combines power, reliability, and ease of use, the Ninja Professional Plus blender is one of the best options available. Finally, taking the top spot on our list is the ASTRLSHIP Professional Blender, a high-performance machine designed for those who want the best possible results. This blender is built to handle even the toughest ingredients with ease, making it ideal for serious users who regularly make frozen drinks. What sets this blender apart is its powerful motor and high-quality blade system. Together, they allow it to crush ice and blend frozen fruits into ultra-smooth textures in seconds. This level of performance makes it comparable to professional-grade blenders used in cafes and juice bars. The large capacity makes it perfect for families or for hosting gatherings, while the durable construction ensures long-lasting reliability. It's designed to maintain consistent performance even during heavy use, making it a great investment for those who rely on their blender regularly. If you're looking for maximum power and professional-level performance, the ASTRLSHIP Professional Blender is the best overall choice. Choosing the right blender for frozen drinks depends on your specific needs and lifestyle. If you want something compact and portable, the KYS blender is a great option. For those on a budget, the Hamilton Beach model offers reliable performance at an affordable price. If you need more power and capacity, the Chefman Obliterator provides excellent value. For top-tier ice crushing and consistent results, the Ninja Professional Plus blender stands out. And if you want the highest level of performance, the AstralShip blender is the ultimate choice. It's also important to consider how often you'll use your blender and what types of drinks you plan to make. If you frequently blend ice or frozen fruits, investing in a more powerful model will save you time and effort while delivering better results. A strong motor and durable blades make a noticeable difference in both texture and speed. Ease of cleaning is another factor that shouldn't be overlooked. Many modern blenders are designed with removable parts or simple cleaning systems, making maintenance quick and hassle-free. A blender that's easy to clean is more likely to be used regularly, helping you get the most out of your purchase. In the end, a good blender is more than just a kitchen appliance. It's a tool that helps you create refreshing, delicious drinks whenever you want. From healthy smoothies to indulgent frozen treats, the right blender makes the process easier, faster, and more enjoyable. And that wraps up our review of the best blenders for frozen drinks. From the compact and convenient KLIS Personal Smoothie Blender BL319B, the affordable and dependable Hamilton Beach Power Elite Wave Action Blender, the powerful Chefman Obliterator 48-ounce countertop blender, the high-performing Ninja Professional Plus blender, to our top pick, the ASTRLSHIP Professional Blender. There's a perfect option here for every kitchen and lifestyle. Which blender would you choose to upgrade your frozen drink experience? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest reviews and buying guides. And be sure to check the description box for current prices and deals so you can grab the best blender for your needs today. Thanks for watching.